4, 3, 2, 1, get him butterfly. What's up, everyone? What's up? Can you guys hear me? Can you guys hear me, bro? Cannot lie, that could have been a possible entry. Alright. I don't know if you guys can hear me. Just comment down below if you can't. Let's speak about what's happening right now. So basically, we had this consolidation, right? And then price broke above it, right? So basically, we had two levels. The price was trading in between, which was our resistance level and our support level. We were trading between those two levels, right? For most parts of yesterday. Right, today we managed to break above that resistance zone, now turning into support. So now we have to remember that's a level that hasn't been retested, so that's a level that we'll look to retest before looking for those buys again. But this was just a breakout trade in terms of these two key levels, right? The stronger trade will perhaps be the trade that retests the zone before making its way up, right? So that's what we see right now. But if we look at price from what it did from Friday's price action, which was this whole move to the downside, basically we have to look at the strong impulse and we have to pay strong attention to it as well, right? It is rejecting at our we can hear you. Shout out, man. Can you guys still hear me? Fire emojis if you can hear me. But anyway, I'm looking at Friday's price action, and as you can see, price is currently rejecting at that 0.618 within obviously our premium zone. That's something that is kind of negative to the power of 3. That's what it is. So also, if we look at it from an AMD standpoint, could be that manipulation, right? Oh, sorry, accumulation, then manipulation, and then perhaps distribution all the way to that low that was found on Friday, if I'm not mistaken. Yes, all right. So that could be a possibility, but then again, we have to remember that the trend is very bullish, very bullish. That's something that we need to pay attention to. So for me, what I can say is, for me to at least consider those sales, I already had my first confirmation, you know, at this 0.618. If price is doing that, it could mean that we could be going down, um, more so because this is also a key level, right here, right? This is a key level. So for me, that could mean that this is something crazy. So we could be going back for the retest. That's one possibility. For me to what I wanted to say actually was that for me to continue to look for those sales, if I'm going to look for the sales in this bullish market, I need to see a second confirmation. I need to see price continue, this I need to price to disrespect this bullish momentum cooking before 10 a.m. That's what the level is. To disrespect this bullish momentum and bullish levels as well. So what I would need to see is price to close below the zone as my second confirmation, right? And for the retest, and then we look for the continuation after we have the retest, right? But all I need from price is to close below the zone if I'm going to continue looking for myself right now. This I must an entry right now on that. I must an entry. I would have entered somewhere there, obviously on my lower time frames, because we are reacting to certain levels that you guys can see on the screen. However, as I would like to continue saying, is that we are extremely bullish. That's one thing that we should continue. So in this market, I'm going to be looking for buyers still, unless we close below what's this level, let's say 2903.07. Unless we close below that level, there's no way I'm going to be looking for sales. So for me, my standpoint, I am still bullish. Yeah, that's what I think. And also, let me do this, bro. Let me just do this. Any questions from you guys so far? Any questions? Did you catch some of the trades that were sent to the Telegram? Did you guys do that? Kid game. When I say close, I mean the body, the candle. Always when you look for even your break of structure, it's important for you to just do this. The fuck just happened now? So this should just delete, man. Fuck you. I'm not gonna use you anyway. It's a sign. Um. Anyway, like I said, is if in any scenario, break of structure, change of character, closure above levels, anything you want a body closure, right? Because in most cases, if you're not gonna wait for your body closure, you are gonna be liquidated. As you can see right here, most people would have entered right there, gotten chopped because market pulled back up, hoping for price to go back to the entry point, which is perhaps here, and then just they were floating in drawdown, floating, and then ended up, you know, blowing and losing capital or whatever. So for me, I would like to insist that very strong likelihood for us to. So that's just me at this point, boys. I'm gonna be looking for my buyers. I don't wanna lie. So I'm gonna look for my buyers right now. I'm gonna look for my second entry. Probably too excited, but I'm gonna be looking for my buyers right now because I'm seeing something interesting. I'm seeing something interesting, and then if I go back on the 5 minute, I wanna see something now. So right now, boys, right now, for me personally, a closure above this level, I'm gonna be taking my buys. Let me just remove this one because we already know the position that we are in. So yep, a closure above that level, a change of character basically, I'm gonna be looking for my buys. But I still think that possibility of price dumping down is very high. Right, very high. So right now it's just a thing of having to see what our price actually wants to do. So yeah, are you guys in here? Are you guys alive? What are you guys saying, man? Are you guys in here? Yeah. Okay. Okay, boys. Now my network is okay. Fuck. Yep. Now my network is alright. Do you know why my network tweaks like this, bro? Crazy. Yes, now we are gonna start on business. Like, okay, like I said, possibility for price dumping down strong. Very strong. However, momentum that we got from this, not very strong. Alright. So play King Kong. Oof, man, I wish I could. But maybe just for today, no? Even if we just, you know, violate the rules for today, will TikTok or YouTube do something to us, man? I still got trauma from TikTok. So yep, like I said, very strong. We just have to see what price does within this range. Obviously the retest could be an option that we are looking at. Ooh, wait a minute. I'm gonna remove this and then I'm gonna go back to the hourly. This might be just something crazy, boys. This might just be something crazy. Let's do this quickly. Go back to the 5. Let's see. Very interesting, eh? Very, very interesting. Nightbot, don't spam, bro. Do not. So yep, this is what I'm looking at the moment. This is what I'm looking at the moment, boys. We might just get a slight tap into this FVG on the hourly, but overall this is the setup. You get me? But obviously there's an entry criteria that I still have to point out. So that's the entry criteria for this trade. And then just a side note, I think that's valid. I think that is valid. Are you guys still in here, man? What do you guys think? What do you guys think? Just do this. Yeah, that's a bit better. Did I pull it properly though? Yep. Yep. Yeah. Yeah. I got two bad bitches hopping in a coupe on my foot around. And that's it. That's it. Yeah. Two bad bitches riding in a coupe. I was trying to hula hoops. I really let's go. Yeah. Two bad bitches in a coupe, man, that's crazy. Okay, this is what I'm looking at. Okay, interesting enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. Fair enough. There's also a key level. That's what I'm noting right here. So I wanna see what's gonna happen. So a break above this, a retest at this level can also be, you know, and then we go up. Okay, I see you go. And that's trading feels so simple. Sometimes just hop in a coupe. My shoe. Dog, my shoe. Dog, that's your dog, my shoe. Your dog, that's your dog, my shoe. Coupe, I better start in a coupe. Four, three, two, one. Ready, be gone.